In this video I am going to show you how to restore My Eyes Only pictures on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat app and there, just next to record button, hit add memories icon. There you can tap at My Eyes Only. Here you have to enter My Eyes Only passcode and it shows up all My Eyes Only pictures that you moved here before. These pictures are actually hidden, and if you want to restore it, so actually move it to snaps, all you have to do is hold down on that pictures. You can select multiple pictures at once, then hit add more and here tap on unhide snap. Now as you can see, nothing here any longer, and you can go to snaps and here you can find that photo that you have just restored. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.